Good morning, welcome back to another vlog. I don't want to show too much of myself in this first clip because my lips are very bruised. I got them done yesterday and I haven't been in so long, so it's much needed for me. I got a half a syringe and it's basically all in my top lip, but there is a little in my bottom lip. But the reason why I'm bruising so much is because I've been taking ibuprofen all week because I've been having my postpartum period and that's been lovely, but that's why I am so bruised. But I ended up going to Tjmaxx yesterday and then I got some clothes in the mail from Revolve, so I wanted to show that. And then also I'm gonna make apple crisp today. I wanna go through all of my makeup and skincare and do a huge declutter and just clean out all the gross makeup. So that's my plan for kind of like the weekend because I know that's a big project and it's gonna take me forever. So yeah, I figured I would vlog and go on this journey together because I can guarantee you when I start going through my makeup and skincare, I'm gonna regret it like 10 minutes in because it's just gonna be very overwhelming, but I thought we could do it together. But first, let me show you what I ended up getting. Okay, let's start off with what I got at Tjmaxx. I really wanted to just do some Christmas shopping and I don't know what to get Freya because she's gonna be 4 months old. Like I got Oakley so many gifts, but for Freya, she's just like too tiny of a baby. I ended up getting this for her, elephant puzzle and teether key ring set. So I got this. This was $9.99. And then, by the way, I said this on my Instagram, but buy all of your toys at Tjmaxx. Do not buy them at Target. I got these because I needed them. Because like I said, the postpartum, wow, it's like really rough. Okay, I did get something for Christmas. I had a deer last year. It was a velvet one, but Oakley broke off the antlers, so look at how beautiful this is. It's kind of like the perfect mix of silver and gold. And I think that's what I want to do with my tree this year, silver and gold. So cute. And this is $7.99. So love that. They had giant ones too. Next, I got this for Freya. So it's a little sweater with polka dots. And then it did come with little slippers. So it's like, do I wrap this up and put it under the tree, even though she's 4 months old then? I don't know. I also got her these headbands. I think I'm gonna use them before Christmas though, so I don't think I'm actually gonna wrap them up, but I thought these were really cute. And she looks so cute in little headbands, so I got that. And then I did get this for Scott. I feel like I got something else, but maybe I took it out. Well, I got Oakley a little toy set, but I got this for Scott, so I'm going to wrap that up. I still haven't decided my Christmas theme wrapping paper. I don't know what to do. Okay, let me show you Revolve now. Okay, real quick, I actually got this shirt from Amazon. Came in the mail yesterday. I was trying to look for Skims dupes. I don't think it feels like Skims. I think it feels like that workout material. So I wish it was kind of a different material. It's like too stretchy for my liking, but I haven't tried it on yet, so I don't know if it looks good, but this was highly rated, so I picked that up from Amazon. Okay, now the clothes from Revolve. As you can see, I really like brown and white. First, for Halloween, we'll see how this comes out. I wanted to take a picture as like an angel, so I have this white satin little bralette. This is so pretty. I love this, it's super soft. This is by the brand Lovers and Friends. Oh, I love it. And then to go with it, this skirt, oh my goodness. So this is Lovers and Friends again. So I'm gonna be an angel and I have wings coming in the mail today. I hope this fits me. I haven't tried it on yet, but I was thinking this like kind of sexy, you know, pretty sexy. So I got that to go with that. And then I have this bodysuit. I thought this was really pretty for the holiday season coming up. So it's very sparkly. It has like gold specks of sparkles in it. This is by House of Harlow, 1960. It has like a little bit of a turtleneck and it is a bodysuit. So freaking pretty. And then it has like more of a scrunchy detailing on the sleeves. So I can't wait to wear this. We are gonna have a couple of holiday parties. Oh, I'm excited. Scott's nervous. I'm excited. And then last thing, this jacket. I'm gonna sneeze, I think. Okay, I'm not gonna sneeze. Okay, this jacket, I am obsessed with this jacket. So it's like a medium brown suede, and then it has this soft fur on the inside. This is by the brand Lovers and Friends. You can tell I really like that brand, but so cute. And I'm gonna wear this for our pictures tomorrow that we're taking. So love it, obsessed. I will link all of these down below. This jacket though, I'm gonna be living in this. Okay, listening to music. But I hung up some clothes. Now I'm gonna start emptying out these and just kind of sprawling it on the ground. And I'm gonna make a big box of like junk. But yeah, we gotta go through, this is like a long overdue. We have to go through this. Okay, so only 3 out of 18 drawers have been just put here, and I'm already regretting this. But I'm gonna make a couple different piles. This is gonna be giveaways. That's gonna be just like trash expired. And when I say giveaways, I don't want to get you guys too excited, but I just think I'm going to give it to like friends and family and maybe neighbors too. So I'm going to go through this. A lot of it is new, but a lot of it I just won't use. So, oh boy, I don't even know where to begin. All right, so this is all I'm doing for today. This is the pile of stuff that I'm keeping. I put a bunch of trash in there, and then I have 2 boxes to give away. So I'm still gonna be working through the rest of it this weekend, but for now, it's a start. I also got these angel wings in. I ordered these from Windsor, and I mean, they're kind of cheap and tacky looking, to be quite honest, but I wanted wings for my angel costume, so we'll see how that comes out. I started putting things in piles. I haven't talked to you guys in a couple of days, but and my socks don't match. But I put a couple things in piles to differentiate the drawers. Be very careful, okay? Okay. I don't really want you over near the shandy. Careful, baby. Okay. All right, you can play with that. So let me show you guys a couple of things. Oh, it's not working. Oh, shucks. Oh, I wonder why. So yeah, I've got a couple different piles here. Here's Ted's. Teddy got a haircut. I don't know if I showed you guys. Hi, Ted. I don't know if I showed you guys last time, but he got a haircut. We took family photos. We got the Christmas tree in that we're putting up this week because Wednesday, November 1st. Oh, it's going down. Peach and Lily, I got this package. From Peach and Lily. We have a gel cleanser, Wild Dew Treatment Essence, Glass Skin Serum, and Matcha Pudding Antioxidant Cream. Also cut my finger this morning on a formula, like the tin on the formula. Love that. Also getting my nails done tonight, and I think I'm doing the same thing. Are you making a track for your toys? That's... Oh, cool. What's so cool?
I'm making.
You're making something?
Yeah, I'm not making.
Oh, you don't know what you're making?
No.
Oh. Well, you'll have to see. I got a couple of things from Pixie. I don't know if I showed you guys this, but I got those. I got a new lip gloss from Too Faced. This is the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump. Okay, I got this, but I did get my lips done. Let me show you because I didn't show you since a couple days ago. Okay, these are my lips now. I still think I want more. Like, my top lip still looks small to me, but
I'm not making.
I don't know. Okay, also, Michaela dropped off a really sweet birthday package yesterday. It is my birthday week, Michaela's birthday. Okay, we are Scorpios. And she spoiled me. She definitely didn't have to, but the thing with us is we go all out for birthdays. We're like, we celebrate it no matter what, you know? So she got me these hair clips. I already had one of them in my head this morning, so one of them's missing, but these are so cute. Be careful around the glass, baby. Then she got the pumpkin spice and vanilla chai. This is a scrub from Hemp's. This stuff smells really, really good. Baby, be careful, all right? Okay, we're out of this room. Okay, then don't touch it. This stuff smells really good. It smells like more like vanilla chai. She also works for Charlotte Tilbury, so I have a ton of Charlotte Tilbury things in here. Full-size magic cream. Oh my god, obsessed, obsessed. Baby's starting to fuss, so I'm trying to hurry. The Cairo Recovery Eye Serum. Yes, honey. We have a gloss. Really, really pretty. It's so hard to do things nowadays. I'm coming. Then we have a mascara here, super black pillow talk, push-up lashes, a card. You guys know I keep my cards forever. Dunk's gift card. We have the Glowgasm Beauty wand. She like spoiled me so much. And then this necklace is so beautiful. I'm obsessed with it. It is so sparkly. It's not even like picking up how sparkly this is, but oh my God, it's beautiful. So she spoiled me. If you're a Scorpio, Scorpio's the best. I feel like everyone in my life is a Scorpio or a Gemini. And those are some like strong personalities, am I right? Michaela's a Scorpio, Scott's a Gemini, my mom's a Gemini, my friend Mal's a Gemini. I don't know. I just feel like everyone's Scorpio is a Gemini. So anyways, that was so sweet of Michaela. She went above and beyond like she always does. And she's going on vacation. I'm so jealous she's going on vacation. All right. Bless you, honey. Bless you. Uh-oh, baby's crying. So I'm gonna make mac and cheese for him in a little bit. It's 10:30. Wow, this day's going by slow. I'm gonna make that for him. And then in the crock pot today, I'm gonna make chicken and dumpling crock pot meal. I don't know. It's not actual dumplings though, it's Pillsbury biscuits. And then I'm burning marshmallow fireside. So, it smells good in here, but it's just very gloom today. That's why we got the lights going and everything. Okay, I figured you haven't seen this girly this whole time. So I'm making mac and cheese now. I'm gonna be home all week, but it is my birthday week, like I said, and I'm gonna be setting up Christmas decorations in the tree. I bought a tree off Amazon. It's 7.5 feet. Scott thinks we should have went a little bit taller because we have 10-foot ceilings, but I don't know. Hopefully it looks fine because Christmas trees are expensive and I can't get the real one because I'm allergic to the pine. I've said that, but if you don't know. So I don't know. I hope it looks good. Of course, that viral Home Depot Christmas tree with the twinkling lights. I'm like, oh, that one's so beautiful, but it's also $400. Spent $150 on this tree that I got, and just fingers crossed that it looks good. We'll see. We'll see. We kind of want to get another one for like the top of the stairs, and then I kind of want one for my beauty room. It's gonna be like a beauty and like workplace kind of room, but that's still in the works. I mean, does anyone else like just not have their house together yet? Because I don't know how long it's gonna take, but it's gonna take a while. So let's make this mac and cheese. I'm gonna try. What happened? I'm gonna try and clean today as much as I can. I already did one load of laundry and I cleaned the bathroom, cleaned the kitchen. Mondays I like to clean. Definitely like my more cleaning kind of day. And then tomorrow's Halloween and it's supposed to be cold. And what's the matter? The last 2 days she's not been happy. She also has a big circle of a bald spot. She's not been happy the last 2 days. And I'm like, why? What's going on? It's all right, Ted. So, anyways, that's my day. Cleaning, getting basically everything prepped for Christmas decor, and I'm gonna work out. Okay, so I ended up doing a couple of drawers while the babies are sleeping. So I did this one. This is just some skincare, some new and some that I'm like currently using. And then this over here is my Charlotte Tilbury drawer. So pretty. And then this is just like my pretty pink drawer. I always do like a pretty one. I'm probably gonna do 2 pretty ones, but that's all I've done so far. But for some reason it's taken me a long time. So, and then, oh, I have nothing in here, but see how I'm getting like bubbles in here? This is basically Dunzo, but I'm still trying to use it, but it's kind of ruined. I think I'm gonna have a second coffee or energy drink because I'm feeling a little bit tired right now. But I cleaned off the top. It's looking a lot better. Okay, I think I showed you guys this. It's been a couple of days. I keep on like vlogging and then stopping. I also got my nails done again and I got like a copper. They're so pretty. I liked the metallic look, so I just did the same thing except more of a copper brown. Anyways, this is what my drawers are looking like. I woke up like sniffly. I don't know what's going on. I hope I'm not sick. I hope I'm just having like some weird allergies. But I still have a lot to do. I just wanted to share that with you guys. And I think I already showed that. I'm going to end this vlog because I'm going to start a new one and put... I'm going to put my Christmas tree up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye.